Parakeet. George.
Hi guys, I'm Marlene McCohen and this is Picasso, who you guys probably already know. But I am making this video today to introduce you a whole new playlist. This playlist is called Parent Tip Tuesday. Every Tuesday, maybe Picasso and I, maybe some of my other birds, we're gonna have released for you guys just a quick tip. Could be something you know, could be something you didn't know, or it could be something where you're like, aha, I never put two and two together, but that is so true. So if these videos can help you guys in any way get a little more insight into our little OCD feathered friends, then that's what Tuesdays are gonna be for from now on. So check in, enjoy the playlist, and have fun, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We love new subscribers.